20 Animals in English. Part 3. Hyena. Hyena. A wild animal known for its laughing sound. Example: the hyena laughs loudly at night. Jackal. Jackal. A wild animal that looks like a small wolf. Example: the jackal runs fast. Panther. Panther. A large wild cat with dark fur. Example: the panther moves silently. Lynx. Lynx. A wild cat with short tail and ear tufts. Example: the lynx lives in forests. Cougar. Cougar. A big wild cat also called a mountain lion. Example: the cougar climbs rocks. Moose. Moose. A very large animal with big antlers. Example: the moose walks in the forest. Elk. Elk. A large deer-like animal. Example: the elk runs across the field. Antelope. Antelope. A fast-running wild animal with horns. Example: the antelope escapes quickly. Gazelle. Gazelle. A small fast animal that lives in grasslands. Example: the gazelle jumps high. Yak. Yak. A long-haired animal found in cold regions. Example: the yak carries loads. Llama. Llama. A farm animal used to carry goods. Example: the llama walks slowly. Alpaca. Alpaca. A soft-furred animal related to llamas. Example: the alpaca looks fluffy. Armadillo. Armadillo. An animal with a hard shell. Example: the armadillo curls into a ball. Meerkat. Meerkat. A small animal that stands upright. Example: the meerkat watches carefully. Warthog. Warthog. A wild pig with long tusks. Example: the warthog runs away. Tapir. Tapir. A large animal with a short trunk-like nose. Example: the tapir walks near trees. Sloth. Sloth. A very slow-moving animal. Example: the sloth hangs from a tree. Badger. Badger. A strong animal that digs burrows. Example: the badger digs the ground. Skunk. Skunk. An animal that sprays a bad smell for protection. Example: the skunk scares enemies. Mole. Mole. A small animal that lives underground. Example: the mole digs tunnels. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.